Hi everyone! Welcome to my kitchen. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。I'm Mai, a local Japanese cooking and dessert expert. Today, I want to share something a little different from your average sandwich. It is light, sweet, and very colorful. Whipped cream and fresh strawberry sandwich, known as Ichigo Sando in Japanese, is a very popular snack in Japan. This sweet sandwich is usually made with fresh strawberries or fresh fruits and whipped cream hugged in 2 slices of fluffy bread. One of the distinctive parts about this sandwich is a visual attraction when sliced. To achieve this, there are a few tips you need to know, including how to place your strawberries on your bread. Okay, so let's get started. First, prepare your fruits. Today, I'm using strawberry in my sandwich. You can use any fruits you like in your sandwich. Cut off the crust from the sandwich bread. Pour the cream to a mixing bowl. Add sugar to the cream, and I will beat the cream with an electric mixer. I will continue beating until it forms peaks. Now, peaks are firm, stable, and hold position. You can add cream cheese or mascarpone cheese to make your cream more stiff. I will transfer my whipped cream to piping bag. Take a slice of sandwich bread and pipe the cream on one side. Now I will place my strawberries. Place whole strawberries in the middle in one line, alternately. You need to think about slicing. Then, place 1/2 of strawberry on a space. Pipe the cream especially in between each strawberry. Then, cover entire strawberries with the whipped cream. Top it with a slice of bread. Then wrap the sandwich in a plastic wrap. I will mark where to slice. Let's chill in the fridge for at least 1 hour to make it stable. Slice your sandwich as marked. Now, the strawberry sandwich is complete! On this channel, I share about authentic Japanese home cooking and information about delicious local foods from Japan. If you find the video informative, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. I also create many beautiful Japanese sweets called wagashi and share on my Instagram. You can search for @MissWagashi. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!